Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are doing something a little bit different. I have been needing a holiday for a long time now, since I came back from Nigeria in March. If you've been following me, I think I didn't film so much of my time in Nigeria actually. Okay, finally I decided, okay, Ima, enough is enough. I need to get out of Scandinavia, or I need to get out of the Nordic and go somewhere else I haven't been to or have been to for a holiday. So I'm actually booking a flight, packing some things, and I'm also going to do some shopping. And you'll be coming along with me. I'll be taking you along with through this whole thing, where I'm going to, how things I need and all of that. So yeah, like traveling makes me happy. Packing my bags, going on a trip makes me really excited. Before I decided that I will be going to these countries, I already listened to reviews, I read reviews, I watched YouTube videos of people visiting the country, and I watched vlogs. So I decided like, these countries should be on my list of places to go to. And luckily for me, I was able to find a budget-wise flight ticket. And I also plan to take some trains in this trip, take some buses, trams as well, just to make sure that I don't exceed my budget for this trip. I am so excited. I am so excited. Where did I Oh, I think this one. Yeah, this one. Pick up this one. I like this drink. Oh, now it's 300. I'm back to 157 to pick up the same jeans. I like this gray one and it looks good on me. I like that it's not so tight, it's loose, and for that reason I came back again to pick it in the same color, black. Oh wow, the queue. Oh my goodness, will I be able to? The queue here is crazy. I need to pick up my contact lens prescription, so I'm heading to Specsavers in Kungsgatan. So now I'm done with the gym login issue. I do have to go to my next appointment, and my appointment is in the next 5 minutes. So let's rush so I don't miss my appointment. I do love going to this place for my nail appointment. Like, this is so far the best nail technician, best nail place that I go to here in Stockholm for everything my nails. Okay, this is shoes, and I love flat shoes, sandals, whatever. I think I'm at the season of flatties, everything flat. And seeing that I'm going on a very relaxed, comfortable trip, I decided to pick up an open toe sandals. It's so warm in Stockholm. It's gonna be warm in the countries where I'm going to. So something flat that can allow me to move around like a tourist. And happily, they had a discount, like huge discount. So I'm so happy picking this up. I hope it's gonna serve me properly and well. And I love that this sandal can do beach, dinner, like it can do both, because I'm not packing separate shoes for every occasion. My suitcase isn't gonna take it a lot. And like we said, it's gonna be a budget, low stress trip. I'm taking this one. I don't know. Okay. Hey bro, you're called them. So now I'm back home. The trip is planned, the shopping is done. I'm ready to pack my suitcase, and I'm very, very excited. And I can't wait to share this trip with you guys. Seriously. Wow. Um, I think I really deserve this. This past few months has been very, very tough. It's been a lot of things happening that I haven't shared with you guys. Which I hope to do that. Anyway, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.